Every day, millions of vehicles run, but have you ever wondered how petrol and diesel are actually made? Do they come directly from the ground? The answer is absolutely not. Hello friends, so let's find out.
First, scientists use geological surveys to locate crude oil. Then, this black gold is extracted through deep drilling and transported to refineries via pipelines or large tankers. After reaching the refinery, salt and water are first separated from the crude oil. Then it is heated to approximately 350 to a giant tower, called a fractional distillation tower. Different fuels are extracted at different temperatures. LPG is at the top, then petrol. But this process alone cannot produce enough petrol and diesel to meet the world's needs. Therefore, heavy oil is sent to special reactors. Large hydrocarbon molecules are broken down into smaller molecules. This produces high-quality gasoline and premium diesel.
After this, petrol and diesel are thoroughly cleaned. Sulfur, nitrogen, and other impurities present in them are removed. This makes the fuel safe for the environment and better for the engine.
This petrol and diesel power our entire world. But burning them releases gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides, which causes serious problems like global warming, air pollution, and acid rain. Behind every drop of it lies science, engineering, and the hard work of thousands of people.
If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments what topic you would like to see in the next video. Thank you. See you in the next video.